Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a subject that can really open doors for your financial future: how to improve your FICO score fast. Whether you're looking to secure better loan rates, rent that dream apartment, or simply feel more in control of your finances, boosting your credit score is key. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the strategies, it's important to understand what a FICO score is. This three-digit number is calculated based on several factors. Payment history, 35%. Credit utilization, length of credit history, 15%. Credit mix, new credit. Each factor plays a role, and even small improvements in one area can lead to noticeable changes in your score. Tip number 1, review your credit reports for errors. Sometimes mistakes like incorrect late payments, duplicate entries, or outdated account statuses can drag your score down. Visit annual.creditreport.com to get your free report from each bureau. Carefully review each section. If you spot an error, file a dispute with the respective bureau. Clearing up inaccuracies can sometimes provide a quick boost to your score. Next, focus on lowering your credit utilization ratio. This ratio is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. For example, if you have a $1,000 limit and your balance is $300, your utilization is 30%. For the best impact on your score, aim for a utilization below 30%, and ideally even lower. Quick tips: pay down existing balances. Request a credit limit increase only if you're confident you won't spend more. Avoid making large purchases that spike your balance just before your statement closing date. Lowering your utilization tells lenders that you're managing your credit responsibly. Payment history is the largest component of your FICO score, about 35%. That's why it's essential to always pay on time. Set up automatic payments or calendar reminders. If you're juggling multiple bills, consider consolidating them or using a budgeting app. Even one missed payment can have a significant negative impact. Consistently paying on time builds a strong foundation for your credit history. Another strategy to consider is becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's or friend's credit card. If the primary account holder has a good history, their positive payment records and low credit utilization can benefit your report, provided the credit card issuer reports authorized user activity. This can be a fast way to improve your score if you don't have a long credit history yet. Just be sure that the primary user is responsible with their credit. If you have any negative marks on your credit report, like collections or late payments, it may be worthwhile to negotiate with your creditors. Explain your situation and see if you can work out a pay-for-delete arrangement. This means you agree to pay an outstanding balance in exchange for removing the negative record. While not every creditor will agree to this, it's an option that can lead to a quick score improvement if successful. Be cautious about opening too many new credit accounts at once. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is made, which can temporarily lower your score. While one inquiry might not hurt, multiple inquiries in a short period can be damaging. Focus on improving the credit you already have before opening new lines. If you're just starting out or need to rebuild credit, consider a credit builder loan. With these loans, the money you borrow is held in a secured account until you've made all your payments. Once completed, your positive payment history is reported to the credit bureaus, helping to build your score. Many local credit unions or community banks offer these types of loans. Having a mix of different types of credit can also be beneficial. Lenders like to see that you can manage both revolving credit, like credit cards, and installment loans, like auto or personal loans. If you only have one type of credit, consider whether adding another type might benefit your score, but only if it makes sense for your financial situation. Remember, never take on debt you don't need just for the sake of improving your credit mix. Lastly, monitor your progress. Use free tools like Credit Karma or other credit monitoring services to keep an eye on your score and understand how your actions are affecting it. Regular monitoring not only helps you spot errors or fraudulent activity quickly, but also keeps you motivated when you see your score rise. Staying informed is key to maintaining good credit health. To recap, here are the actionable steps to improve your FICO score fast. Check your credit reports, identify and dispute any errors. Lower your credit utilization, pay down balances, and consider limit increases. Always pay on time, set reminders, or use autopay to never miss a due date. Become an authorized user, leverage someone else's good credit if possible. Negotiate negative marks, work with creditors to remove or update negative items. Avoid excessive new credit applications, limit hard inquiries by not applying for too many new accounts. Explore credit builder loans, use them to establish or rebuild your credit. Maintain a healthy credit mix, diversify your credit responsibly. Monitor your progress, use credit monitoring tools to stay informed and motivated. Improving your FICO score fast is about smart, consistent choices. With these tips, you can make significant progress in a relatively short time while building habits that will serve you long term. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to your channel name for more financial insights, and share this video with friends or family who might benefit. I'd love to hear your experiences or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to a brighter financial future with a better FICO score. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.